here at the Honda dealership. I don't give a crap about any of these modern anything's really overpriced, ridiculous stuff. There is something cool back here though. Other than crunchy leaves. This thing. Just a Japanese Mini Cooper. That's all it really is. I wish it wasn't backed in the way it is. I love it.
Put this in the back of my truck.
10-inch tires. It's a Japanese Mini Cooper, dude. How is this not a Japanese Mini Cooper? Like, there's nothing about this that's really original.
It's bigger than me.
I mean, by how much though? I'm sure you're right. It might be a few inches bigger, but I mean the hood. What?
A bunch of loose stuff.
Oh, that's cool. Check that out. And nothing new here is as exciting as this. Mostly Hot Wheels, or?
Yeah, you get flakes and ridge lines and
Huh.
all.
It's funny.
All over here too.
Yeah.
This dude's got like
Some high-end stuff. It's not all Hot Wheels. Looks like there's a couple of mini GTs. Dude, this thing's impossible to find. I got one. I only ever saw one.
You probably gave it to me. That's why
I was gonna say, I think I got you one and I got me one, and then they never saw another one.
I like how he has like a Merker over there, because why not have a German Ford in the middle of all your Hondas?
What? Where's that?
Right there, under his phone.
Oh, that's funny. Dude, this thing's awesome though. There's no modern Honda to me that's as appealing as that.